Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with Dr. Paul Russ from Rockside Family Dental Care. How are you doing today?
Great, how about you?
Good, thank you.
Great.
So in this video, we're going to be talking about dental implants. So you're
Yes.
going to talk to us about some of the uses and some more. So I'm just going to turn it over to you. What can you tell me about that?
Okay, so this is actually one of my favorite parts of dentistry. I've done a lot of extra training in placing implants and restoring implants. I think it's a great part of dentistry that's really growing, and it's becoming the real gold standard of treatment.
Okay.
Especially when people are missing teeth, or they're going to be losing a tooth. These tend to be the best options a lot of times. And in this aspect, we're talking about you can replace, say, a single tooth. Mm-hmm. You can replace several teeth. You could even replace all of the teeth on a upper or lower jaw with dental implants and the restorations.
Great.
Yeah.
All right, so we're going to actually see a sample of what these dental implants look like.
Correct.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, so here first we have our dental implant crown, and this is actually a crown dental implant and crown that are replacing one tooth. So as you can see, this actual crown will actually fit on top of this dental implant, and there's a little access hole in the top of it, and we actually put a little screw down there and tighten it down and fill that access hole. But that is going to be very secure in the mouth, in the bone. Now this, what I talked about before too, was replacing several teeth. This is an example of an implant bridge, where you're actually replacing several teeth around the front and even towards the one side, and we actually link all of these other implants together. Again, this is something where we would actually have these access holes in the inside, so they're never seen in the front, and they actually will be filled in and smooth. The nice part about these is you can actually take them out if you need to, if there's any problem with them, and get them fixed. And then our final one is actually when we have to restore, say, all the teeth on an arch or all the teeth on a top or lower jaw. And this one actually shows all of the teeth. And as you can see, when I take that off, those implants are placed. Typically 4 or 5 implants are placed. And then this restoration is actually fit on top and again, screwed down. This is something that will stay in all of the time. And then we typically would have you come back in and clean it once a year. We'd take it out and just make sure everything's nice and clean and healthy.
All right, and then we also have some before and after photos of this process. So what can you tell us kind of about those?
Yeah, so this is a patient of ours that came to us. As you look in the before picture, that arrow pointing to that tooth, that was a crown that was done on a tooth quite some time ago. Mm-hmm. And unfortunately, there was a crack that developed underneath that tooth, so she needed to have that crown replaced. As you can see in the after photo, this is after the treatment was done, where we put a new implant, we got the tissue ready and everything, and placed that new implant crown on that. And you can see how much better that matches with the tooth next to it.
Mm-hmm. Looks almost identical.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Sure.
And this is what we can do these days, where it used to be where these dental implants wouldn't look very lifelike, but just with techniques, procedures that we do now, we can get them to look so lifelike you couldn't even tell.
Right. And I think that's important to people. You know, they don't want to have this dental work done to begin with, so being able to have it match perfectly to what their teeth already look like is so important. Yeah. All right, well, thank you so much for showing us that sample and then also that picture of the before and after. If you'd like to find out more, you can contact Rockside Family Dental Care. You can call them at the number on the screen or visit them online at rocksidefamilydentalcare.com, or you can visit them at the office. Monday through Thursday, they are open from 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 p.m. On Friday, they're open from 7:30 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And on select Saturdays, they are open from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m.